Good morning, students. Welcome to my class of standard 10th, subject Maths 2, chapter 6, trigonometry. My dear students, today we are going to continue practice set 6.2. In my previous video, I have completed practice set 6.2, question number 6 till sum number 4. Through that. Okay. Now today we are doing sum number 5. You know this statement, old Henry and his old aunt. With the help of this you get 12 formulae. All of you know this very well. Okay. So now we are starting sum number 5. Here left hand side is cot theta plus tan theta, and your right hand side is cosec theta into sec theta. So you have to solve left hand side as you know, and you have to get the answer of right hand side. So it is very easy. Here you can see cot theta. Cot theta, as I told you have to apply very simple, you have to simplify very simple formula. So for cot theta, your formula is cos theta upon sin theta. You have to bring in the form of sin and cos only, okay, to solve in easier way. And plus tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta, and tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Now cross multiplication, if you will do the cross multiplication, you will get sin theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, so now you know this sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Identity you know very well. So here directly we'll write 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Reason, because sin theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is why you got one answer. Now you have to separate this. This you will separate. 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. You have to separate it. Now you can see 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon sin means cosec hota hai. You can see in this statement 1 upon sin means cosec. So 1 upon sin means I am writing here cosec theta into 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is your sec theta into sec theta. So here we got the answer very easily. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Very few steps you will do. After doing very few steps, very easily you are getting the answer. So this prove that is not at all hard for you. It is very easy, my dear students. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 6. Okay, prove that sum number 6. Left hand side is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, and your right hand side is sec theta plus tan theta. So here in this you will multiply with the conjugate, because you want sec theta plus tan theta on top, numerator. So 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, multiplying numerator and denominator by sec theta plus tan theta. Very easy sum, because we want this answer, sec theta plus tan theta. So 1 into this sec theta plus tan theta will be same. I am writing sec theta plus tan theta upon, now you can see denominator is in form of a plus b, a minus b. So if you will see denominator in the form of a plus b, a minus b, you are getting the formula a square minus b square. So here sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, now you know very well identity formula. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So tan square will come to your left hand side. You will get like this. Okay, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. You know this identity. So this will come this side, left hand side. So you will get sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So that means this whole denominator means 1. So I am writing here sec theta plus tan theta upon 1, because sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and you got the answer, left hand side equal to right hand side. Again in this sum also very few steps you can see. If you will do, sum is completed. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 7. Prove that left hand side is sine 4 theta minus cos 4 theta, and your right hand side is 1 minus 2 cos square theta. 1 minus 2 cos square theta. There is a change in the question. If in the textbook it is printed sec 4 theta, if in the textbook it is printed sec 4 theta, please do the changes. Okay, please do the change. It is sine 4 theta and not sec 4 theta. So now how to solve this sum? It is very easy. You have to bring in the form of a square minus b square, means sine square theta the whole square minus cos square theta the whole square. See, meaning is same, but our meaning is different here. For us it is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square means, you know, a plus b, a minus b, means sine square theta plus cos square theta, sine square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, now you know very well sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 into sine square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, 1 into this is same only. 1 into sine square minus cos square theta will be same only. Okay, now here in the place of sine square theta, we can write 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. Why we can write? Because you know the identity. Your identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is your identity. Because of this, you can write sine square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. This cos will go that side, right? This cos square theta will go that side, it will become minus. So ये मिलता है. Sine square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. And here you can see minus minus is plus. So 1 minus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, you know, 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So left hand side equal to right hand side. See, very easily we got the answer for the 7th one. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 8. left hand side is sec theta plus tan theta, and your right hand side is cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So first of all, as I told you, you will simplify, you will bring in the form of cos and sin. So sec theta means 1 upon cos theta, right? Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta plus, and tan theta का मतलब होता है sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, so here you can see cos theta is same, denominator is same, so I will take numerator together, numerator I will take together, okay, 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now in denominator you want 1 minus sin theta, हमको यहाँ पे चाहिए 1 minus sin theta. So what you will do, you know, you will multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta, multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta. Okay, why? Because in denominator we want 1 minus sin theta. So here you can see now a plus b, a minus b. Numerator is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, मतलब a square minus b square. A square मतलब 1 का square is 1 minus sin square theta. A square minus b square, and this will be same as it is, cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, now 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta का मतलब होता है cos square theta. 1 minus sin square का मतलब होता है cos square theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now here you can see this cos theta and here 1 cos theta will get cancelled, because here it is 2 cos square theta है. तुमको मिलेगा अभी cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So left hand side equal to right hand side. See, very easily we got the answer. Right hand side is cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Here also you got cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 9. In sum number 9, tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. This is given. It is given to you. And you want to prove that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. Okay. So how to prove it? How to get the square here? How to get the square? So first of all you will write this given, then squaring both the sides. You have to write squaring both the sides. इसको squaring करने का means tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta the whole square is equal to 2 square. Squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides करने के बाद में you will take the help of a plus b the whole square. You know a plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square means tan square theta plus 2 into tan theta into 1 upon tan theta, 2 into a into b plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So here tan theta will get cancelled. 2 will go there, becomes minus. So you will get tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4 minus 2. 2 will go there, becomes minus, and therefore you will get tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equal to 2. This is proved. See, very easily you can prove the sum. Very simple sum. Only you have to do the squaring both the sides. इसका squaring करेंगे you will get a plus b the whole square. वो फॉर्म में लिखने का. Then you will get the answer. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 10. Left hand side is tan a upon 1 plus tan square a the whole square plus cot a. It is not cos a, it is cot a. Please do the change in the textbook. Cot a plus 1 plus cot square a the whole square. And your right hand side is sin a into cos a. As I told you, you have to simplify and you have to bring in the form of sin and cos. Then only you will get the answer. Here also it is same. Okay. So here tan a, I am writing same now. Tan a upon 1 plus tan square a means sec square a. Okay. 1 plus tan square a means sec square a plus cot a upon 1 plus cot square a means cosec square a the whole square. Okay. 1 plus tan square a means sec square a, you know the identity, and 1 plus cot square a matlab cosec square a, identity. Now 2 to the 4, tan a upon sec 4a हो जाएगा, and here cot a upon cosec 4a. Is that clear? So tan a means now you have to simplify. You have to bring in the form of sin and cos. Tan a means sin a upon cos a upon sec means 1 upon cos होता है, तो this will become 1 upon cos 4a plus cot a means cos a upon sin a upon cosec a. Cosec means 1 upon sin होता है, तो 1 upon sin 4a. Okay, simplify हो गया, all in the form of sin and cos. Now this will be reciprocal, so you will get sin a upon cos a into cos 4a upon 1 plus cos a upon sin a into sin 4a upon 1. So here you can see this cos a will get cancelled, and here it is 4, so it will become 3. Same way sin a will get cancelled, here it is 4, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 3. So you got sin a into cos cube a plus cos a into sin cube a. Correct? Now sin a into cos a is common. Sin a here. So sin a into cos a is common here. You will get cos square a plus sin square a. Now you know sin square a plus cos square a means 1 होता है. So sin a into cos a into 1, because your formula sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Formula लिखने का. So here now sin a into cos a into 1 means same it is. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So here we got the answer of right hand side, sin a into cos a. Please copy it down. This sum was little big, but not very hard. Okay, now come to sum number 11. Left hand side is sec 4a into 1 minus sin 4a minus 2 tan square a. So sec formula here you can see 1 upon cos होता है. So I will write here 1 upon cos 4a. अच्छा, this is a square minus b square के फॉर्म में. So I will write 1 minus sin square a 1 plus sin square a. Okay, 1 minus sin 4a means 1 minus sin square a plus 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan means you know sin upon cos, so 2 into sin square a upon cos square a. Okay, now 1 minus sin square a means cos square a होता है. 1 upon cos 4a into cos square a 1 plus sin square a minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. This same होएगा. This will be same. Only here in the place of 1 minus sin square a means it is cos square a. You know sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. अभी ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यहाँ से 4 है तो it will become 2. Okay, so here you can see here also cos square and here also cos square. हाँ, so 1 plus sin square into 1 करेंगे तो वही आएगा 1 plus sin square a upon cos square a. अभी ये cos square हो गया और ये minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. This one. Now you can see denominator is same, so I am writing the same denominator cos square a, same लिख दिया. अभी क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पर 1 plus sin square a minus 2 sin square a. So plus minus is minus, you will get 1 minus sin square a upon cos square. Okay, plus minus minus, 1 minus 2 is 1 minus 1, so minus 1, nothing is there, means 1. 1 minus sin square means again 1 minus sin square means you know cos square upon cos square. 1 minus sin square means cos square होता है. This will get cancelled, you will get 1, left hand side equal to right hand side. So here we have completed this practice set 6.2. Okay, 6.3 is omitted by the government and chapter 7 is also omitted by the government. So here we have completed the portion. Please copy it down. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.